internally of the organs and so forth. And then in the third trimester, the damage from radiation exposure mostly affects the brain and reduces the ability of the brain to function properly. Now, basically, if the embryo survives and the fetus makes it through the first trimester and it's been exposed, but it survives, it's going to be a monster. And those are
killing again?
horrific babies born in Iraq that people have seen so many
Bringing the dogs home some radioactive game.
That's the result of internal exposure or
yeah, she's got it all figured. If she doesn't up the dose too quickly, then they'll just be dumb and she'll get to rule them.
It's irrefutable.
The spider smells size, she'll quickly move up to
These governments and phony experts
Alpha Omega dog.
that there's no immediate danger and everything is fine. Well, it's not fine.
In looking back through Kim Kardashian's recent
Wow.
flight history and the illness reports that she had recently, I went back a little bit further and found that she had also flown recently to Miami to Kentucky, to the city. Then she flew to New York to go to a TV
What are you,
premiere.
about 16 months old, 18 months old now, kitty?
Around the country. This was a relative of yours.
Fortunately, she's...
They were pregnant and flying this much.
I talked to her this about her before when she started dead. This is already dead, I can't do nothing.
I thought it would